What's up, Facebook, YouTube? This is Courtney Truman Steamers. Today is February the 12th. I'm over here on my third job, which is, I'm counting as one job because this is one of my repeat customers. I call her one of my day one clients, Mrs. Diane. She's been with me since like day one when I first started my company almost 9 years ago. And she has a lot of rental properties. And all these properties are in one neighborhood in Lawrenceville. So I've been cleaning these properties for her for a long time. So usually today, I actually did two of them, and they both are next door to each other. I'm about to show you guys. So I thought about something. So at first, I was charging her for each one so each one of them have 5 areas. So I thought about it. I said, you know what? I didn't have to move my van. So what I did, I decided to be fair. And instead of charging her for 2 separate locations, even though it's 2 separate locations, but you can see I'm in the other driveway, I just charged her for 10 areas. So instead of charging her 5 and 5, I charged her for 10 areas, and it actually saved her $60. So this show you guys. So I've already cleaned this one over here. And Miss Diane, like I said, she's a good customer. She actually bought me some Chick-fil-A too. So I cleaned the stairs of this one. All right, Miss Diane, I'm about to go start that one over there, okay? I'm gonna go clean the other one. Okay. Okay. All right. So I cleaned that one up there, guys. And she's a nice lady, very nice lady. So so I decided to charge her, and both of them are the same layout. So it's just townhouse communities. And actually she said she has 2 more coming up. So this is the first time I've done 2 of them. Oh, there's her son. Hey, what's up, man? Long time no see. Man, I heard you University of Brand.
Yeah, I just graduated.
Congratulations, man.
Thank you.
Congratulations. All right, well, I've already done that one, so I'm about to go ahead and do this one. All right. Yeah. So I'm just going through the front door here. And then this one right here. So they both are the same layout. There was her son right there. Like I said, I've been knowing him since he was in high school, and he just graduated college. So I have a lot of customers. I've just seen their kids grow over the years, and it's just amazing. So it's all the same layout. So I've already pre-sprayed this one, and then count this big open areas as 1, and then 3, 4. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. And the same place, the one next door, the same as that layout. So thought it was just fair. Since I didn't have to move my van, I just charged her for 10 areas instead of 5 and 5, and it actually saved her $60. So yeah, guys, that's it. So this is really, I had my first job this morning, who was a new customer. Found me on Facebook. Carpets came out amazing. And then these 2, and then my next job is also a repeat customer. I just got the phone with her. She said she had to leave, but she's gonna leave the door open for me. So that's what it's about, man. Having those customers that can trust you, and when they can't be there, you know, they appreciate to do those things. Leave the door open, give you the garage code, because sometimes, guys, you have to remember in business. It's to customers, sometimes to some customers, it's not always about the price. It's about the security of knowing who they're using. And I'm starting to see that over the years of how many of my clients are trusting me. You know, they're not, so worried about the price or comparing me to cheaper companies. They appreciate having someone that's not only going to do it right the first time, but also someone they can trust in their home, because, you know, we live in an era where people are busy. People are busy these days. You know, you don't see too many, you see more couples working. You know, the husband and the wife goes to work. And it's good to have people that can still service your home without you being there. So I'm very, very grateful of that my customers can trust me. So, all right, guys, make sure I clean my hoses off real good before I go to my next one. So I'm going to go ahead and get the machine rolling. Got the heat going. Starting to rain. But it's all good. I had to clean my filter out, yeah. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and knock this next one out. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. All right, guys, I'm down to the last room. Already done with the part of the hallway. You can see the difference. So I just want to show you guys how great these carpets are coming out. Again, sometimes it does not look like carpets are that dirty until you start cleaning them. So, all right, guys, go ahead and finish up here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Again, thanks for watching. Courtney with Truman Steamers.